Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
There's another thing that we need to work on, and that is the illegal accounts. And is this part of the illegal accounts that's going on where Uber is hiding it? So essentially, if you are a customer on the Uber Eats platform, they're hiding the driver's information. So they're not letting you know where, they're not letting you know who, and none of that information is available to the customer. So all of a sudden, you might be like, "Oh, great, my order's coming. It's going to be down the street, and I'm going to go walk outside so I can meet him outside." Nope, can't do that. Now it's just going to be apparently at the door.
This is super unsafe, Uber. I'm going to talk to you guys about this because you're about to get the package on this. Okay, now, this is from somebody who's in the chat. Okay, he's in Colorado. He knows his friend. This is only on Uber Eats at the moment. I haven't tested on DoorDash. His friend is in Chicago. He says it's happening in Chicago. I will test this. I will order Uber Eats. Now, for people who are in the chat, different cities other than Chicago, okay, somebody should test this in Austin with Uber Eats. Somebody order some food. I mean, if you are ordering, and take these kind of screenshots, because in LA, when I do order food on Uber Eats, it shows me the driver's picture. It gives me the map, like, I can watch the driver drive to me, just like on Rideshare. I haven't done it since I got this. We just got these screenshots this week. And I want to do a test on this. How many cities is this in? Or is Uber nationally not showing any of these details, right? It shouldn't be this, Uber. This is completely unsafe. I mean, we know illegals are bringing me my food, or, Janice is supposed to bring my food, but a big dude, Bob, shows up. That's uncool, okay? That's happening quite often. But now, it's this? What are you hiding? I want to know who's bringing me my food, who's bringing me my groceries.
Talk about transparency. This is the opposite of transparency. This is like the most cloudy, foggy day you could possibly have. Yeah, and what's absolutely insane about this is, if this is in retaliation because there's so many fake and illegal accounts that are happening right now, and as you said, if Claire was supposed to deliver it, but Jorge shows up, that's a problem. And then you report that to Uber Eats, and
well, they're not doing shit.
They've been trying to negotiate, or they've been trying to either take care of it or what, by actually offering the food or whatnot, and those types of things. So if this is what's happening, this is absolutely shady as shit. It really needs to be looked at. But I have a feeling that's exactly what it is.
No, I'm going to the news media with this for sure, right? I'm going to test it in LA this week. So if it's LA, that's a big city. If it's in Denver, it's a big city. If it's Chicago, big city. If look, people, if you are in New York City, if you're in Houston or Austin or Miami, please try this. Order some food, $5, $8, $10. If you're getting this and you don't know who's bringing you the food, I mean, I don't see any other reason to do that except that. What are you protecting, right? Uber Eats, what are you protecting? I don't know. I mean, the consumer has to know that this is completely unacceptable. I'm a consumer. Forget me being a delivery driver. I'm a consumer. I want to know who's bringing me my food. How do I know this guy's not some gangster who's going to come put a gun to my head? I don't even know. I don't even know his face. I don't know what car he drives. I don't know license plate. I don't know anything. If it's like this, blank like this with zero information, this cannot be a glitch if it's happening already in 3 cities. So please test it. Please take these screenshots if you do order food on Uber Eats, and please send them to me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. The more cities I have proof from, the better chance I have shoving it up, what, and say, hey, this is bullshit. I mean, look, there could be other Uber's reasons for this. I can't think of any off the top of my head other than, well, we have so many illegals delivering that we just don't want, we want to hide the, who's delivering the food. I'm like, no.
Right.
So please send them to me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com.
Everything. And when I say they accept everything, I mean, they're getting the low, no paying orders and they're taking them anyways. So that's much better. There's no acceptance rate problem or anything. So that to me is a real problem. And this is a big issue. So this is something that really needs to be addressed. And again, yes, if you're in different areas. Now, I did hear New York City was showing this as well too. I wasn't
like this. Blank like this.
Blank. I wasn't able to verify it yet, but I did hear. So again, that could be just a big nothing burger. But either way, if you're in a city, try ordering Uber Eats. I actually will probably have to order this week, or starting tomorrow. I might have to order. To get it right to the hospital or something. So at least I can trial it. But we don't have a problem in our area right now. So
okay, well, we already know it's Denver, Chicago, and one other city, major city. So I'm gonna do it in LA. I'm gonna test a couple times. Frequently, it does happen. Out of 5 times I order, at least twice, the person that's supposed to bring the food is not the person that brings the food, actually. And I do report, by the way, because I'm a driver-friendly person, obviously, but that's a no-no. I don't care. I honestly don't care. Obviously, this happens quite, not as frequent as in rideshare because you have the face verification, ID on Uber. But if this is happening, we need to nip it in the bud. And this is definitely going to the news, 100%. Like an investigative kind of a thing. NBC will order food and then they don't know who's bringing them the food. And is that what's happening? Are they hiding who's bringing you food? Is that what the deal is? Is that what's happening?
I don't know.
All right, well, we'll figure that out.
I don't know. It's quite wild either way. So again, if you're ordering food, try Uber Eats first because that's where it is. If you can do DoorDash or are going to do DoorDash as well, do that. I haven't heard we haven't heard anything happening from DoorDash yet, but there's a possibility that they may try to implement that if that's the reason why they're doing it. I have a very, very big feeling that's the reason why, because it is coded that way. It's not like, there was an error. Like there was an error or something within the app. No, that was coded that way to be able to show you,
this
say like, hey, the driver, or what does it say right here? Keep your phone handy. It looks like your order's on the way. You won't get an alert to listen for a knock or a phone call. So, and then it says, oh, your ordering is arriving now. And it's like, this is specifically coded into the app to be able to show that to show the lack of information right here.
Yeah, I mean, this is a good point by Adolphius right here. I mean, look, these people, what he's saying is true. In my neighborhood as well, we have a lot of gated communities, right? You go through a checkpoint or, whatever. But then the gate code now. Because a lot of, if you're delivering to apartments, Chris, it's a big apartment with 50, 100 units, let's say, right? Well, they're giving you the buzzing code. And know. I mean, you have the buzzing code. You can just go rob everybody in that apartment. And it's just like, no, we need to know who is doing it. On DoorDash, I know for a fact they had never shown the driver's face. Uber Eats was showing the driver's face, the car, just like rideshare. It shows you the license plate, what kind of car, the driver, just like rideshare. But now, if they stopped it, that's a no-no. This is no. It's not going to fly, Uber. So anyway.
Yep. Well, like I say, please email us. Let us know if you are seeing that in your area or if it's showing you the information and where that is. That would be greatly, greatly appreciated. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.